Apple is reportedly developing a foldable iPhone, often referred to as the iPhone Flip, with a potential launch in late 2026 or early 2027. This device is expected to feature a book-style design, unfolding to reveal a 7.8-inch internal display, comparable in size to an iPad mini, and a 5.5-inch external screen for standard use when folded. To enhance durability and minimize screen creasing, Apple may incorporate a liquid metal hinge, an amorphous alloy known for its strength and flexibility. The company is also focusing on battery efficiency to address the increased power demands of foldable devices. In terms of security, the foldable iPhone might reintroduce Touch ID via a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, possibly replacing Face ID due to design constraints. When unfolded, the device is rumored to be exceptionally thin at approximately 4.6 millimeters and around 9.2 millimeters when folded. Given the complexity and advanced technology involved, the iPhone Flip is anticipated to carry a premium price tag, potentially ranging from $2,000 to $2,500. While these details are based on current rumors and leaks, they offer an intriguing glimpse into Apple's potential entry into the foldable smartphone market.